Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen simple example on integration, and today example on integration is root 2 integration sin x divided by sin in bracket x minus pi by 4 dx, and what is the exact solution. To watch simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, now let's do start and solve this equation. Now consider let I is equal to root 2 integration sin x divided by sin x minus pi by 4 dx. Now here we observe in the denominator part x minus pi by 4, this term it can be arranged in the numerator as root 2 integration sin x minus pi by 4 and then plus also pi by 4 bracket complete and divided by sin x minus pi by 4 bracket complete and dx. And we know that suppose this is terms we consider suppose a and this term we consider suppose b, then the related formula for sin a plus b is equal to sin a then cos b then plus sin, then this is becomes cos a and sin b. Therefore above integration we can write as, we can apply the formula this sin a plus b, and we can write sin a, that's mean this term sin a x minus pi by 4 into cos b, that's mean this is cos pi by 4, then plus sin cos, that's mean this is x minus pi by 4, then sin b, that's mean this is sin pi by 4, and divide by throughout this is the sin x minus pi by 4 bracket complete and dx. Now we can simplify this term and we can write as this is a root 2 integration, this term will be cancelled and only here get here cos pi by 4 and this is the bracket and this is plus sign, yes, okay, and cos divided by sin, that means this is the cot x minus pi by 4 into this is the sin pi by 4, yes, okay, and this is the whole bracket complete, yes, okay, and this is the dx. But we know that the cos pi by 4, yes, okay, therefore cos pi by 4 and is equal to sin pi by 4, that means this is the only value 1 upon root 2, yes, okay, therefore this integration becomes root 2 integration in bracket we can put the value cos pi by 4 is equal to this is 1 upon root 2, then plus sign here cot, yes, okay, therefore cot x minus pi by 4 and again value 1 upon root 2 bracket complete and dx, okay, and sin pi by 4 also is equal to 1 upon root 2, therefore this root 2 get cancelled, also this root 2 get cancel, and we can write as this is the integration only dx, then plus integration this is the cot x minus pi by 4 and dx, okay, and now we can find the integration. Therefore we can write I is equal to this is integration 1 x, this is the plus and this is the ln, actually this is the sin x minus pi by 4 bracket complete mod complete and plus c is the constant of integration, okay, and this is my final simple solution, okay. If you like then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.